I see a web address in my document that could be a link. Let's open the Hyperlinks window by going to Window, Interactive, Hyperlinks. With the Hyperlinks window open, I can select any text in my document and then create a link by pasting an address into the URL field of the Hyperlinks window. It will then appear in a list in this window with an icon to indicate that InDesign has validated the link path. I can double-click on any of the links in this list to bring up the Edit Hyperlink window. Here I could change the link to target an email address or a page or anchor in my document if I'm creating a table of contents. I can also open the Accessibility tab to add alt text. Remember that the alt text will be read instead of the display text by a screen reader, so make sure that your sentence still makes sense when read that way. In this case, I might just drop the .org from my alt text so the sentence ends from WebAIM. Adding alt text with identical text to your display text is also a valid action, because alt text for linked items is required by the PDF UA specification. See our general video on links for more guidelines on descriptive and printable links.